What's going on? It's Ed from My PPC Training, and today we're talking about Google. How Google makes their money, how Google became the Silicon Valley juggernaut, one of the most profitable companies in history, one of the most meteoric rises in business history. They're a beast. They make, I think last year they did $100 billion in sales, with a majority of that coming from ad revenue. So Google actually makes their money from advertising revenue. So I want to show you this video, or rather this article real quick, and show you that in 2017 they made $95 billion in ad revenue. So you're looking at roughly $7 to $8 billion a month in advertising revenue. Now, when Google first launched, their advertising model was a little bit different than everybody else. They have what's called pay-per-click, meaning you can take up spots on pages, but you only pay for that when someone actually clicks on your ad. So it was sort of a revolutionary thing when it came out. Not sort of. It was. I mean, it was dramatic. It was insane. And they're one of the most profitable businesses of all time for a reason. So what I want to do now is show you some live examples of what that advertising looks like, so you get a better idea of how Google actually makes their money. So first things first. So I pulled up a couple searches here just to give you an idea. When you Google something, it's free for a reason. You are the product. Think about it that way. When you Google something, you are the product Google's actually selling. So what Google does is they sell all these spaces here. So this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. Keep going down the page. Sometimes you have an ad right here called a map pack ad or a local ad extension. That's an ad. In that case, it's not, but you sometimes do see ads there. They're becoming more and more popular. And then you see ads here. So it used to be that you had 4 ads up top, 4 ads down bottom, and now they've kind of shrunk that. It ranges. You'll typically see anywhere from 1 to 4 ads. I'm seeing a lot more packs of 3 ads more than anything. And the beautiful thing here is this business only pays for this ad if you actually click on it. So let's say I clicked on Skywalker Roofing. That company would pay for the ad. This company would not. This company would not. The other companies would not. And then behind the scenes, the way it works is it's all via auction. So you go behind, you build your campaign, and you essentially bid in real time to be in those top positions. And yeah, so that's how Google's search advertising network, or the Google Ad Search Network, works. It's all based on what's called direct response marketing, meaning you put in a search query, you have an issue, you've got a problem that you want solved. These people all write ad copy and write ads that hopefully deliver on solving your problem, and that's how that works. So these are all pay-per-click. Now, as an example, this click may be roofing Los Angeles, probably 15 to 20 bucks a click, somewhere in that range, $15 to $20 per click. Think about that. Now think about that times every local business niche in every city around the world, and you can see why they made $8 billion a month. It adds up real quick, and it's not just roofing or plumbing or marketing companies. It literally is everything. So next one I wanted to show you is how it works with e-commerce and shopping online. So I typed in best patio furniture. These are what are known as shopping ads, and this is how companies that sell directly online, like this company's looking to generate a lead. This company's actually looking to make a sale on the internet, and this is how that type of advertising works. And again, they pay for a certain. They pay a certain fee whenever someone actually clicks on the ads. Sorry, this is a keyword everywhere tool. It's a research tool that I use, so I don't mean to confuse you. So I'll get rid of that. And as you can see, you can also have regular text ads here as well. But in your e-commerce niches, you're better off with a picture in the carousel. So that's how that works. Next, I want to show you. So going back to this real quick, this is called the search network. So this is when you search for something, you Google something, you are on the search network. Now I want to take you to the display network. The display network is a network of millions of websites that Google either owns or has revenue share agreements with the actual website owners. And what that is here's an example, Huffington Post. Now if we look on here, typically you'll see an ad up here. You'll see ads going down the side. You'll see advertising here. I have an ad blocker on so you're not seeing it. You'll see it down here. These are all ads taking you to other websites. If you look down here, these are all ads. Now, again, these are free unless someone clicks on it and then they pay. There are other types of ways you could do cost per impression or cost per action, but for the most part, it's a pay-per-click network where they only get charged, or Google only makes money when someone actually clicks on the ad. So another network or another website Google owns is actually YouTube. A lot of people don't know this, but YouTube is actually the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by Google. They get far more search volume than Bing and Yahoo and DuckDuck and all the other search engines. And it's either you go to YouTube to be entertained or to learn something. So it's a beautiful platform for advertising, and especially retargeting. But that's for another video. So here's an example. I just typed in best way to lose weight. Here's an ad that popped up for it. Here's one example. Another example is, so I went through and I clicked on this video right here, and I just put it over into this just to show you. I don't know if you can make out, but this is an actual ad that appears before the video actually goes live. You can skip out of this, and if you watch a certain portion of the video, the advertiser actually pays Google for that. And it's very, very low priced, but YouTube being the second largest search engine, it's a volume play for Google, and they make a fortune doing it. Here are more examples of ads right over here. So this is actually this business over here. So it's just another way they make money. Now, if you are at all interested in learning about how to actually advertise on Google and make money, whether you're a local business owner or you're a someone looking to get into business or become a pay-per-click or AdWords certified individual, I urge you to check out our channel. It's My PPC Training, and we specialize in AdWords, also known as Google Ads. They just rebranded recently. We specialize in tutorials teaching the platforms. So if you ever would like to learn how AdWords works or Google AdWords works, please do yourself a favor, subscribe to our channel, and go through our videos. As of the date, August 3rd, we've got about, I think we're up to about 150 videos live on the channel. And we go through everything, how to actually use the platform from A to Z, and how to generate leads and make sales and make your phone ring using Google AdWords and using the Google networks. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something. Do me a favor. If you liked it, throw a thumbs up. If you learned something and want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. If you thought the video sucked, drop a comment below. Give me some troll hate. If you liked it, drop a comment below. Let me know that you liked it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.